Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eric. Today we're going to play interactive physics again. Today we're going to make an earthquake. First we need a rectangle, do not anchor it. Then add a horizontal key slot joint and add an equator or this thing like this. Double click it and this is the code. The code is in my description. Wait a second. Okay, we can resume this, and this is the code. Now, when we shake it, oh, wait a second. We have to go to velocity. You have to change the type to velocity and run it, and there it is. Look, very own earthquake. So subscribe and goodbye. Thank you for watching.